everyone, my name is Allison, Princess of the Desert, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because we have two special projects going on. Number one is we are doing a $10 horse Halloween costume from Dollar Tree. And number two, this video is in collaboration with Michelle from Unicorns and Centaurs. So we talked about doing a collaboration for quite a while now, and we are finally doing it, which is so fun. So as always, out of the literally billion other YouTube creators out there, thank you so much for choosing to watch our Dollar Tree horse costume challenge. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell to see more of me in the future. Also be sure you check out Unicorns and Centaurs channel. I will leave it linked for you down below along with Michelle's video. You want to be sure that you do not miss that. But for now, let's get on with the video. So I want to start out by first doing a quick little introduction for both of our channels. So I love the Unicorn and Centaurs channel. Michelle is always doing some kind of really cool equine craft, DIY. She has tack chats, and she's always educating us about unicorns and centaurs, the fabulous creatures that they are. It's always fun. It's always positive. It's a great place to be. If I'm having a rough day, I know that I can always watch something on that channel and it'll make me feel better. It'll make me smile again. Now, if you are coming from Unicorns and Centaurs channel, my name is Allison and I am Princess of the Desert. Here on my channel, I am always up to something girly and gorgeous. I do hauls, I do stuff with unicorns, I do makeup. My Will It Survive an Equestrian series is becoming a favorite. I also have the occasional riding edit because I do ride horses and I am learning to ride dressage. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, check out some of my videos. I would love to have you here. Okay, so this is a Dollar Tree horse costume challenge. The budget is $10. I think this is a really fun idea if your barn does a Halloween contest, if you're at a show and they have a costume class, or if you just want to be festive and you want to take some really cute Halloween pictures. It is so much fun to put costumes on our pets, but maybe we don't want to spend a ton of money on it. So the rules for this challenge are very simple. You're allowed to use tape, glue, needle and thread from home to make minor adjustments to your costume. So I am going to the Dollar Tree to look for some material, and then we're gonna get my friend and hope that he cooperates while we put the costume on. So I will see you later. Okay, so I'm at Dollar Tree right now and we're gonna go in and we're gonna see what we can find. Okay, so I am here. I have some goodies from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try and do a pirate theme. So I got a pirate sword. This one is like plastic, but it looks really cool. So I got a pirate sword. Then I got a foam sword because I didn't think I was gonna find an actual pirate sword, so I found a foam sword. And this one I thought would be good for Anthem because he can play with his stablemate and they won't hurt each other. So I have a foam sword. I have a little treat bucket that I'm gonna put like some peppermints and sugar cubes and carrots in here. So I thought this would be really cute. So I picked up like a pirate hat, kind of like a handkerchief, and it's got the skull and crossbones on it. I thought this was really cool. This is actually really big, so I think we might be able to like cut some ear holes and he can wear it on his head. It's like so scary. Then I got two pirate vests, okay? One is red and has black stripes, again with the skull and the swords. And then this one is just black and it has the symbol on it. And I got two of them because, like, you know, horses are like really big. What I want to do is like put it over his saddle pad or something and have that like hang down. Then I got a pirate hook, and look how like scary this is. There's like skulls on that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have this really authentic looking pirate hook. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be able to do with this, but I thought we could use it. And then the very last thing was this little package of this Pirate Playset. Yeah, so we get a pirate hat. We have the eye patch, and we have this gold earring type of piece, I guess like a clip-on earring. So that's what came in this little pirate playset. So this is everything for my horse pirate costume. With everything, including the candy bucket, I ended up spending $8, so we have stayed on budget. So let's see what we can do with all this stuff and have some fun and make a cute horse costume. Okay, so I took like the little pirate handkerchief and I sewed on the eye patch with just a little bit of thread, and I took that gold earring and I kind of put it at like the top of the space where the ear holes go. So he has like this little gold earring. Then just really quick, I took some string and I put it on the sword, just so that we can tie it to the saddle. Not very tight, it will break off if he does get scared, but that way we can hold it in position. So those are just some tiny little adjustments that I made. Be ye warned of Anthem, the fearsome pirate of the 7 dressage arenas. What do you do that's scary, huh? Of Anthem, the fearsome pirate of the 7 dressage arenas. He will pillage your sugar bag and plunder the cookie jar. This is Anthem's treat bucket. These are all the goodies that he found when he was going around the neighborhood. We got some carrots, some apples, and some peppermints. Yeah, you can have them in a minute. Okay, we're almost finished. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you had as much fun as we did. If you would like to do this challenge too, be sure you tag us. Be sure you go and check out Michelle's channel. She's always up to something fun and entertaining. I will leave it linked for you down below. So we had a lot of fun. I'm going to go and give Anthem a treat now and take all this stuff off, but we had a great time. Be sure you subscribe to me, Allison, to not miss anything of me in the future, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye, Anthem!